Hello everyone, this is Ratul Khan here once again. In this lesson, you are going to learn why you are not fluent in English. Reason 1. You don't have enough time to learn English. This is common one, I understand. But if you want to reach a level, you will need to do more. There are 3 ways to learn more. 1. Make learning English more a priority. 2. Listen to English while you do other things. 3. Change your environment. Reason 2. You are not getting enough output. Listening and reading is easier than speaking and writing. That's why learners spend a lot of time listening to podcasts and watching videos. But don't do much speaking and writing. The problem with this is that if you are not focusing on output, you will not improve quickly. Reason 3. Stop spending so much time learning grammar rules. I know grammar rules can help, but in order to have natural conversations in English, you will need to intuitively know grammar. This where you don't think about grammar rules when you are speaking. You automatically use correct grammar. Reason 4. You are too shy to practice. So many learners feel too shy to speak in English because they are afraid of making mistakes. To overcome your nervous, find someone who you are comfortable with to practice. Reason 5. You are too stressed about your level and your goals. English learning is a journey. You might as well enjoy it. I believe that stress comes when you are compared with others. You know that you can't magically start English speaking. That you takes your time to achieve your goals. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel.